Today we visited a project that has been recently restored using inferior products. As you can see here, these products have severely scratched the glass. Our process of using the Glass ReSurfacer Final Polish will remove this damage as well as the mineral stains on the glass. Here I'm taping off a small section to form a test area. I'm going to thoroughly clean the glass to ensure there's no contamination. I'm now using the Glass ReSurfacer stripper to melt away any hard mineral stains on the surface. I am now polishing the glass using the Glass ReSurfacer polish as well as our Glass ReSurfacer pad. This is not the type of polisher I would normally use, but it was all I had available at the time. As well, it's not the type of spray bottle that I would use, but on short notice it'll do. I have to reapply the product occasionally, and then as the water evaporates I reapply the water to keep it lubricated on the surface, making sure to never allow it to dry on the surface and into the pad. It takes time and pressure to restore this glass properly. Our process actually refinishes the glass, removing stains, scratches, burns, any imperfection on the surface, creating a new finish. Now that I've adequately restored the glass, I'm going to clean it and apply the Glass Defender MD. I'm just polishing the surface to remove any residue, and the demonstration is about done. This product will protect the glass from anywhere from 5, 10 to 20 years, depending on the combination of Glass Defender products selected. As you can see, the glass is flawlessly refinished.